All right, hello everyone. 3 plus 3 times 3, what does that equal? A lot of people get this one correct, but I'm seeing so many people answering 18, and I've got to address that here. All right, first of all, do you understand the difference between 3 plus 3 times 3 and 3 plus 3 inside of parentheses or brackets multiplied by 3? There is a difference, and unfortunately, some people are not quite understanding this, but let's cover it. All right, 3 plus 3 times 3 without any parentheses is equal to 12. I know I see a lot of people arguing, well, no, it's not 12 unless you put parentheses around the 3 times 3. Well, actually, that would be incorrect. In order to get 18, you have to have parentheses around the 3 plus 3. Unfortunately, a lot of people have forgotten that multiplication has precedence over addition and subtraction. Multiplication is repeated addition. So you have to have parentheses around the 3 plus 3 in order to get 18. And again, and I've heard the other excuses too, that well, the multiplication would have to be first. It doesn't matter. 3 plus 3 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 plus 3 is also equal to 12. There's no difference because multiplication already has precedence over addition. But you do see the never-ending excuses out there where I grew up, we solved left to right. That's false. And the other popular one is if we were supposed to solve the multiplication first, it would be written first. Well, in fact, it doesn't matter because multiplication already has precedence regardless of what order it is. You need parentheses to modify the order of operations. If you want to put the addition first, you need to put parentheses around it, just like I showed you. And then one of the third most popular excuses is, well, I read a sentence left to right, so we should solve left to right. And again, you do go left to right, but you go left to right following the order of operations. And we'll talk about that briefly for those who forgot it. Again, 3 plus 3 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 plus 3 is 12. A lot of people do not really understand the relationship between multiplication, addition, division, and subtraction. The whole idea of the order of operations is based on those relationships. And I know a lot of people get hung up on acronyms like PEMDAS and BODMAS and so on, and they're like, well, why do you have to do the multiplication first? That's stupid. Well, it all comes down to what multiplication is actually defined as, and we can go look in Webster's dictionary. Um, a mathematical operation that at its simplest is an abbreviated process of adding an integer to zero a specified number of times and that is extended to other numbers in accordance with laws that are valid for integers. Now, I know that sounds like a lot of gobbledygook to some people, but I'll translate it for those who may see that as being kind of written a little complicated. Again, it's a mathematical operation, all right? So let me translate that for you. Basically, it's saying multiplication is literally defined as repeated addition. What's 5 times 5? 5 times 5 is the same thing as 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Well, it sure is a whole lot easier and a whole lot easier to say 5 times 5 than it is for me to sit here and add 5 times. So when you have something like 3 times 3 as what we have in this problem, 3 times 3 is the same thing as adding 3 times. In other words, 3 times 3 is the same thing as 3 plus 3 plus 3. So for those that are having trouble mixing multiplication and addition, you can replace that multiplication with equivalent addition, and you're going to get the same answer. 3 plus 3 times 3 is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So you got it right there. And I even highlighted it in red, replacing the multiplication. And it's 12. And some people will say, well, if it was supposed to be 12, why didn't they just write it out that way? It's because multiplication, once again, I'll say it again, multiplication is shorthand for repeated addition. It's a lot more efficient to write 3 plus 3 times 3 than it is to write out all these 3's in addition. That's the reason. It's pretty simple. I mean, it's absolutely simple. Um, and again, some people may have heard of things like PEMDAS. A lot of people get these acronyms confused. PEMDAS is just parentheses. And an E is really for exponents, but it can be exponents, factorials, and square roots. If you don't know what factorials and square roots are, I'm not going to really cover those here. But really, the step number 2 is anything that is shorthand for repeated multiplication. We already talked about repeated addition. These are things for like repeated multiplication. An exponent would be like, 5 to the third power. 5 to the third power is the same thing as 5 times 5 times 5. Same kind of concept we just talked about with multiplication. All right, and then your third step, and this is where people really start to get confused on these acronyms. Number 3, it's multiplication and division left to right. It's not M before D, or if you know BODMAS, it's not D before M. They have the same precedence. That's why PEMDAS and BODMAS give you the same answer. All right, so and then also addition and subtraction. I'll see people mess this one up too. Addition and subtraction also have equal precedence. Subtraction is nothing more than adding a negative number, so they have the same precedence. So PEMDAS, BODMAS, BEDMAS, BIDMAS, all of these acronyms give you the same answer. So again, kind of a long-winded explanation, but I'm walking through this for the people who keep insisting the answer is 18. It's sometimes some people it's really hard to convince. They may still not be convinced. A lot of people get stuck in the realm of making excuses that somehow it was different back in their day, and I get it. Those sometimes those people will never be convinced, but I still put this out there for those ones that actually are interested in trying to remember what they were taught. So hopefully this has been helpful. If it has, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.